F-31X Peregrine is a fighter jet that can completely change the way air combat is imagined. The moment it takes off, it's designed to neutralize enemy threats, stay hidden, and operate seamlessly with a network of drones and AI-powered systems. From the outside, it looks sleek and aggressive, but under the hood, it's pure cutting-edge technology, something that feels more like the future than today. Right off the bat, the F-31X stands out for its adaptive cycle propulsion system. These engines aren't just fast, they're smart. They can switch between fuel-efficient cruising mode for long flights and explosive sprint mode when speed is critical. Picture an incoming threat. In seconds, Peregrine can push toward Mach 2 speeds, then immediately throttle back to save fuel. That's the kind of flexibility most modern jets simply can't match. They're fast, or they're efficient, but rarely both. Its aerodynamics are just as next level. The F-31X has a low-observable design, which keeps it off most radar screens, but stealth isn't its only trick. It can execute extreme maneuvers while staying rock-solid stable thanks to its compact wing configuration and advanced control surfaces. Add thrust vectoring nozzles, and this jet can perform aerial gymnastics that would leave almost any other fighter behind. High-G dogfights or missile evasion, it handles it all. Now, let's talk sensors and avionics. The F-31X is basically a flying command center. It fuses data from ESA radar, IST, EOIR cameras, and electronic support measures into a single AI-assisted picture for the pilot. That means the pilot instantly knows what every enemy aircraft or threat is doing, and automated decision aids suggest optimal moves. On top of that, it can coordinate with unmanned drones, turning a single pilot into a force multiplier commanding a mini-networked air fleet. That kind of capability isn't just futuristic, it's potentially a total game-changer in combat. Weapons-wise, F-31X raises the bar. Instead of hanging everything on external hardpoints like most fighters, most of its weapons sit in internal bays, keeping stealth intact. Short-range IR missiles, medium and long-range active radar missiles, and even loitering munitions are all tucked away until needed. And if the mission calls for it, external hardpoints can be used too, giving it crazy mission flexibility. Defensively, this jet is stacked. Its integrated defensive aid suite includes missile approach warnings, automatic flares and chaff, and AI-driven electronic warfare systems. But the real kicker? Its ability to operate with manned-unmanned teams. If a missile comes in hot, autonomous drones can intercept it while the pilot focuses on offensive or reconnaissance tasks. That's like having an invisible shield around you that also hits back. The F-31X also shines in mission versatility. In quick scramble scenarios, it can intercept incoming threats in just a few minutes. For fleet escort, it works with drones to cover huge areas, reducing the chance of surprise attacks. And in manned-unmanned swarm missions, Peregrine leads small drone swarms, handling long-range threats while the drones perform close reconnaissance or loitering attacks. This combination is unmatched by anything currently flying. Stealth goes beyond radar. The F-31X uses multi-spectrum signature management, reducing its IR emissions and radar footprint while actively detecting enemy sensors to spoof or jam them. It's not just hidden, it's aware and adaptive in real time. Tech specs: supercruise at around Mach 1.6 to 1.8, sprint speeds above Mach 2, thrust-to-weight ratio roughly 1.0 to 1.2, 4 internal medium-range missiles, and full aerial refueling capability. That makes it not just fast and agile, but a versatile multi-role platform for almost any mission scenario. Of course, it's not without challenges. Counter-stealth sensors, advanced electronic warfare, and maintenance complexity are real factors. But those hurdles are exactly what set the F-31X apart from conventional fighters. It's more than a jet. It's a networked, AI-assisted combat force, potentially defining the next era of air superiority. The most impressive thing about the F-31X Peregrine is how all its features work together. Speed, stealth, AI fusion, networked drones, advanced propulsion, multi-spectrum signature management, internal weapons, and manned-unmanned coordination. It's a fully integrated package, not just a collection of impressive specs. And just so it's clear, F-31X Peregrine is a fictional concept, designed based on the cutting-edge technologies and trends we see today in fighter jet development. But the features included are grounded in real-world possibilities. and this concept could realistically define the future of air combat. If you're imagining the next generation of fighters, this is the kind of aircraft that makes you believe the future of aerial warfare could be faster, smarter, and more networked than anything we've ever seen. The Peregrine isn't just a plane. It's the idea of a jet reimagined for a world where speed, stealth, and intelligence dominate the skies.